Good morning students. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம physics second class example 1.2 பார்க்க போறோம் இல்லையா? So இந்த example 1.2 வந்து உங்களுக்கு sum. Consider two charges Q1 and Q2 at rest. Example 1.2. Consider two charges. This is charge Q1 and this is Q2 is at rest. They are separated by a distance of 1 meter. So, R which is equal to 1 meter. The distance from between two charges are equal to 1 meter. This is horizontal surface. This is horizontal surface and this is vertical surface. Charges Q1 and Q2. So, there are three cases here. Q1 equal to plus 2 mu c. Q1 is equal to plus 2 mu c. Q2 is equal to plus 3 mu c. So, the electrostatic force between the charges. So, what is the formula for electrostatic force? F which is Fe which is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R square. Here the two charges are positive charges. So, first we take similar charges. Similar charges repel each other. Repel each other. Okay. For first case, there are two force acting here, two repulsive force. One is F12 and the another one is F21. First we will calculate F21. The force on 2 experienced by 1. Second force, the influence of 1, F21 is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by 21 means R square unit vector R cap 1 2. So, but we know that 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught means constant value 9 into 10 to the power 9 into charge of Coulomb. Q1 is equal to plus 2 mu c. Plus 2 mu means micro, which means 10 to the power minus 6 Coulomb. Same plus 3 into 10 to the power minus 6 Coulomb. So, Q1 2 into 10 to the power minus 6, 3 into 10 to the power minus 6 divided by the distance between two charges are equal to 1. So, 1 square. So, 9 into 10 to the power 9 into 10 to the power minus 12, 2 3s are 6, 9 6 are 54 into 10 to the power plus 9 minus 12, 10 to the power minus 3. Newton. I cap means it denotes I vector or horizontal motion x axis. This is F21 force. So, same force on 1 exerted by 2, F12 which is equal to same formula 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R square into R21 unit vector cap. The value of 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 9 into 10 to the power 9 into value of first charge 2 into 10 to the power minus 6, 2 into 10 to the power minus 6 into 3 into 10 to the power minus 6 divided by 1. Same value 9 into 6 into 10 to the power 9 into 10 to the power minus 12. 54 into 10 to the power minus 3. This acts in opposite direction F12. So we use negative sign here. Minus 54 into 10 to the power minus 3 j cap. F12. According to Newton's second law, F21 is equal to minus F12. And next, case 2, B. In case 2, Q1 equal to plus 2 mu C and Q2 is equal to minus 3 mu C. Q1 is equal to plus 2 mu C. Q3 is equal to minus 3 mu C. See here, they are unlike charges or opposite charges. Opposite charges attract each other. Consider 2 point charges having mass. Sign, positive sign, negative sign, so they are attract each other. Okay, attractive force separated by a distance r. Okay, attractive force F1 is equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9 into 2 into 10 to the power minus 6 into minus 3 into 10 to the power minus 6 divided by 1 square. So 9 into 10 to the power plus 9 into minus 6 into 10 to the power minus 12 divided by 1 minus 54 into 10 to the power minus 3. F12 same x axis n I cap. So same like that, F21 according to Newton's second law, F21 is equal to 54 into 10 to the power minus 3 j cap. Two charges are kept inside the water, then the force experienced by Q2 due to Q1. Case 3. Suppose this experimental setup is dipped in water. 2 point charges separated by a distance Q1, Q2. The force must be F12 which is equal to what? Epsilon r, relative permittivity of water, which is equal to 8. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q1 Q2 by r square. 1 by, here we are using 1 by 4 pi epsilon. Epsilon means relative permittivity into Q1 Q2 by r square. This value is common. 54 divided by epsilon, which is equal to epsilon naught into epsilon r. So the equation becomes 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into epsilon r into Q1 Q2 by r square. By 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by r square into epsilon r. Already we know that this value 54 into 10 to the power minus 3 divided by epsilon r, relative permittivity of water 80. 54 divided by 80. 54 divided by 80 nearly equal to 0.675 into 10 to the power minus 3. Force unit Newton, direction x direction. That's all. Next, example 1.3. In example 1.3, two small sized identical equally charged spheres, each having mass 1 milligram. Two charged spheres. each having mass 1 milligram. Or hanging in equilibrium, the length of each string is 10 centimeter. So L, length of string is L, which is equal to 10 centimeter. And the angle theta is 7 degree, inclined at an angle theta which is equal to 7 degree. With the vertical, calculate the magnitude of the charge in each sphere. So Q, which is equal to what? Charge on each object. Consider 2 point masses or 2 objects are in equilibrium. So theta are in equilibrium. Suppose this one, two similar charges Similar charges means repel each other. It can be positive, repel each other, and negative, repel each other. So that repulsive force angle means theta, which is equal to 7 degree. Suppose they are opposite charges attract each other, positive, negative, so there is no angle, theta which is equal to 0 degree, opposite charges. Here this is horizontal direction, and this is vertical direction. In horizontal, always we are using cos theta, horizontal. This is the force, repulsive force F, here theta. So this one cos theta means this one opposite side T sin theta. This is normal force, this is tensional force, because opposite to charge, positive. And next this one theta, and this one means similar alternate angle, and this one theta means this one T cos theta, and this one sin theta. W is equal to M into G, electrostatic force Fe. Okay. So listen, so first in the diagram la paathukonga, inga vandu first nama edavadhu oru sphere eduthukuvom, adanoda mass kandupidichave rendume equal mass dhaan, so onnum prachana illa. So idu first horizontal line, idu vertical line ah, rendu line ah nama pirichitom. Horizontal la force inga irundhu act agupodhu, ipdi vara force inga irundhu inga act agudhu appadina kandipa idu theta irukum. Edu theta oda nearby line o adha nama cos theta appdinu solli nama eduthukuvom. So same idhe principle dhaan nama inga use pandrom. Actually இந்த force enna appadina, it's an electrostatic force, which means repulsive force. So in the charges, இதுவும் positive charge இல்லையா, இதுவும் positive charge இல்லையா, so இந்த charge இது கிட்ட வர சொல்ல என்ன பண்ணனும்னா கண்டிப்பா ஒரு particular distance move ஆகி போகும், அது electrostatic force. பட் இதுக்கு நம்ம force கொடுக்கணும் இல்லையா, so அதுக்கு நம்மளே என்ன பண்றோம், ஒரு tensional force கொடுக்கிறோம். அப்ப இது cos theta னா இது வேணா மாறும், opposite sin theta வா மாறும். இங்க பாத்தீங்க இந்த inclined angle theta which is equal to 7 degree ன்னு கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. so அப்ப இது interior alternate angle, same நம்ம லைனை டிரா பண்ண சொல்ல என்ன பண்ணுவோம்னா இது theta வா மாறும். thetaவுக்கு எது பக்கத்துல இருக்கோ அதுதான் வந்து cos theta, so opposite la nama sin theta எடுத்துக்கும். பட் இங்க sin theta எடுக்கல, because இது வந்து normal gravitational weight W which is equal to M into G ன்னு எடுத்துக்கிறோம். இங்க நம்ம தெரிஞ்சுக்க வேண்டிய ஒரே கண்டிஷன் என்ன அப்படின்னா, leftward force which is equal to rightward force. Upward force is equal to downward force. What is the left force? T sin theta. T sin theta which is equal to rightward force F electrostatic force Fe. This is equation number 1. Upward force T cos theta which is equal to downward force. Downward force means mg. F equal to mg or W which is equal to mg. This is equation number 2. Equation number 1 divided by equation number 2. What is equation 1? T sin theta divided by T cos theta. T cos theta which is equal to Fe by mg. So T cancel, sin theta by cos theta, tan theta. Tan theta which is equal to Fe by mg. mg tan theta which is equal to Fe. Fe means electrostatic force. So mg tan theta which is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 by r square. Here we notice that q1 q2 means similar charges. So q into q which means q square. So r square mg tan theta which is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into q square. So we calculate only the quantity of charge. So r square mg tan theta divided by 1 by 4 pi epsilon, the value of 1 by 4 pi epsilon 9 into 10 to the power 9 which is equal to q square. Here we notice only r square value, the value of r which is equal to 2a. Taking this right angle triangle, this is right angle 90 degree, here the theta, and this side a, the distance between midpoint to chart, and this is L. For sin theta which is equal to a divided by L, opposite by hypotenuse. So L sin theta which is equal to a, but we need only 2a. So 2L sin theta which is equal to 2a. This is equation number 3 and this equation number 4. Substitute 4 in 3. The equation becomes q square which is equal to r square, which means q square which is equal to r square mg tan theta divided by 9 into 10 to the power 9, taking root q which is equal to squaring both sides. Square root on both sides. So the equation becomes q which is equal to root of r square mg tan theta divided by 9 into 10 to the power 9. Taking r common, q which is equal to r into root of mg tan theta divided by 9 into 10 to the power 9. But we know that r which is equal to what? 2a. 2a which is equal to 2l sin theta root of mg tan theta divided by 9 into 10 to the power 9. L means length of the string. Here L which is equal to 10 centimeter. So L which is equal to 10 centimeter. Centimeter can be converted into meter. 10 divided by 100, which means q which is equal to into 0.1 sin theta. Theta which is equal to 7 degree. Sin 7 degree root mg tan same 7 degree divided by 9 into 10 to the power 9. Q which is equal to 2 into 0.1 0.2 sin 7 degree. Listen, in the sin 7 degree oda value ninga enga paakano appadina log table eduthukanum. நீங்கள் லாக் டேபிளில் நேச்சுரல் சயின்ஸ்னு ஒரு காலம் இருக்கும். ஸோ அதில் நீங்கள் கரெக்டாக 7 டிகிரிக்கு நேராக பார்த்தீங்கன்னா சைன்ஸ் 7 டிகிரியோட வேல்யூ என்ன இருக்கும்னா சைன்ஸ் 7 டிகிரி which is equal to 0.1219. நெக்ஸ்ட் tan 7 டிகிரி is equal to 0.1228. So 0.1 into 2 sin 7 degree, the value of sin 7 degree 0.1219. இதை காமனாக நம்ம வெளில எடுக்கலாம். எப்படின்னா 9க்கு வந்து 3ன்னு வெளில எடுக்கலாம். பவரில் இது மாதிரி 9 இருந்தால் ஹாஃப் வந்து வெளில எடுக்கலாம். Wait. Root mg. mg 1 milligram. 1 into milli means 10 to the power minus 3 into acceleration due to gravity 10. Tan 7 degree divided by 9 into 10 to the power 9. So q which is equal to 0.2 into 0.1219 root of 10 to the power minus 3. 10 into tan 7 degree. So the down la நம்ம கொண்டு வரோம். அப்ப என்ன கிடைக்கும் 9 into 10 to the power minus 3 கீழ வந்தா 10 to the power 9 plus 3 10 to the power 12 ஆ மாறும். So இப்போ நம்ம காமனா வெளிய எடுக்கலாம். 3 into 0.2 into 0.1219 divided by 3 into 10 to the power 6 in 10 into tan 7 degree ஓட value 0.1228. So 0.2438. இதை மல்டிபிள் பண்ணால் என்ன கிடைக்கும் நம்மளுக்கு அப்படின்னா 0.2438 divided by 3 into 10 to the power, இதை 10 இங்கே கொண்டு வந்துடும் 10 to the power 7 root 1.228. ஸோ கேன்சல் பண்ணலாம் 3ஆல் கேன்சல் பண்ண என்ன கிடைக்கும் அப்படின்னா 0.08126 into 1.1 கிடைக்கும் divided by 10 to the power 7. And next நம்மளோட final answer 0.089386 into 10 to the power plus 7 மேலே போனால் minus 7 ஆகும். ஸோ பாயிண்ட் நம்மளுக்கு ஆக்சுவலாக நம்ம சார்ஜ் தான் டிட்டர்மைன் பண்ணோம் இல்லையா 1 to 2 டிஜிட் தள்ளி போகிறோம். ஸோ அந்த சைட் 2 டிஜிட் தள்ளி போனால் 8.938 into 10 to the power minus 7 into 10 to the power minus 2. ஸோ இந்த சைட் டிஜிட்டுக்கு இந்த சைடு வந்தால் ப்ளஸ் 2 மாறும். ஸோ அப்போ 8.9 10 to the power minus 7 into 10 to the power minus 2 into 10 to the power minus 9 சார்ஜ்ன்றதால கூலும். ஸோ அப்போ ஆன்சர் 8.9 நானோ கூலும். That's all.